today we have another taste test for you. After the honey.
Yep. Vegan, Lorne. Okay, it says vegetarian, but it's vegan.
Yep. So, Lorne Sausage, for those who are not in Scotland,
Is a square sausage, which fits perfectly in a roll. So obviously it was meant to be.
yeah, it's just basically a big loaf of sausage that's sliced, as opposed to, because it's also known as sliced sausage.
Yeah.
As opposed to in a tube.
Yep.
So for all those people out there that are like, oh, you can't be vegan and eat sausages, it also comes in a loaf. So, you know, just get over it. But there you go. You can see it's just like
Pink, gelatinous.
a
Like...
sausage loaf,
Yep.
which we've just whacked in the George Foreman and cooked.
Yep. Worked
So
really well
we
with
can
that.
then get to taste them.
Yay.
So here it is. Here is the Lorne in a sandwich. Now, I'll give that to you. I'll come and sit.
Thanks.
I'm not quite brave enough to try this. I was saying to you that I do really like vegan Lorne sausage.
You've never liked Lorne sausage?
I hated Lorne. Oh, that stuff was disgusting. But we normally get it already cooked, so I don't really see the pink gelatinous bit. How is it? My problem is it's pink.
Yeah. It'll be the colourings. Because they'll...
It's alright. You also get vegan Lorne from Rose and Grant's in Glasgow.
Yep.
And BBL in Edinburgh. And while it's fantastic you can get that from a supermarket,
It doesn't hold a candle to theirs.
no way. It's nice though. It's just I prefer the other versions. You're very happy with that though, aren't you? Do you want me to go make you another one?
Not just yet, I'll wait until I finish this when I've had some coffee. No, I'm totally on board with what you say. I think that the Rosenkrantz and the...
Rosengrant, it's like that one. Rosengrant's then BBL. Because Rosengrantz is like that, it's quite thin. Whereas BBL's is like thick and chunky and it's like, it's amazing. But it's great that you can just go over the road and get some.
Yeah. And it's Simon Howie who make this, who have traditionally, I mean, they do the breakfast pack, which is nothing's vegetarian in it,
Yeah,
never
it's
mind
like
vegan.
black pudding sausage, square sausage,
Regular sausage.
all the sausages.
Fruit pudding.
Excuse me. If they're starting that, I'd be interested to see if they would do a vegetarian vegan breakfast pack. That'd be cool.
Totally. But no, like you say, this
For me, it's the colour, and also it's hard to explain. There's some fake meat things that you get from supermarkets, and they have this certain taste to them that is just too close to me.
Yeah.
I'm just like, nope, don't like this, don't like this, and that's what I thought I would get from that.
Yeah.
And because what we used to get, it was like a frozen loaf of Lorne, and it's this pink stuff.
Yeah.
And the smell of that when it's cooking, kind of put me off a little bit.
No.
Just because it's too real.
No.
So I mean, if you're looking for real tasting stuff, that would be totally down.
The other thing which I think we really have to address is, which was really weird for me, this is in amongst all the other sausages and bacon, and so that's the first time in 3 years, really, that we have gone into the sausage section of the supermarket because
we just don't need to. We just bypass that bit.
Yeah,
so
because it's
if it wasn't for accidentally vegan on Instagram,
Yep.
we wouldn't have known about this.
Totally. I would be, because the thing is
because we just don't go down there and we don't look.
Yeah, I mean, Morrisons have now, they already did their vegetarian sausages which were vegan. They've now started their own vegan range in the freezer, and it's a couple of sausages, a burger,
other bits and bobs.
Yeah, it's very much a sheep.
They're starting to catch up with Sainsbury's and Tesco's and all the other ones, which is good because again, and Morrisons is our closest, so it's all good for us.
And for me, it's very much a I'd really like to try those. Not so much in a, I mean, some of them do sound nice, but also in a they need to know that they're on the right track with this.
Yeah.
That it is fantastic that they are selling it.
Things getting cold.
Yeah. I thought I'd try and be nice and not just have you talking and me just sort of going,
That's fine, I wasn't brave enough to try it. I've got a coconut bacon BLT sitting in the other room for me. So yeah, all in all, it is a hit. It's good. Would you buy it again?
Yeah.
Like as a treat. Like, occasionally I buy cheating bacon as a treat. I imagine you would buy that as a treat. All in all, thumbs up. So there you go. I'm going to go turn the George Foreman back on and get you another one. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give us a subscribe. Try again. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give us a subscribe so we can hit that magic 1,000. And don't forget to check us out on Patreon. The link is below.